Hello everyone. So for today's shelf work, this shelf work is mainly focused on colors because that's what we are trying to teach Sia nowadays, and more of motor skills and some basic concepts mainly targeted for Sia. I'll tell you in the coming videos why we are doing that. So this shelf is now mainly dedicated to Sia. Sanvi can do it, but their things are pretty easy for Sanvi as of now. But this is the first basket. So we're talking about the colors. So first we're introducing red and yellow. So I put this, it's common activity I have seen yesterday earlier also, but just this time a red lid and a yellow lid. So the yellow straw has to go in the yellow lid and the red has to go in the red lid. It has to go there. So that's the first activity. Another one is transferring the balls. So just take the ball from here and put it here. So I didn't have red and yellow exact balls, so just orange and yellowish. And the 10 this is egg tray, so put all the yellow balls here and put all the orange balls here. So Sia is not that confident in it, but still she's learning this one. This one is a human body, so again it's very easy for Sanvi, but it's just what is exactly about it, or how we play it. So you see, it's a very big puzzle pieces. It's very good game. It's actually gifted by my very good friend to my daughters. So I just make a body. Alright, then we have pieces. So you see there are arrows to everything, and there is color marking at the corner. So I just spread these cards on the floor and ask Sia, like, Sia, can you pick up an ear? She'll pick up it and I'll tell her to touch your ear. So it is very detailed. It has all the body parts which she might not know, like she doesn't know the heel as of now. I just taught her the basic ones. So she'll still pick up, and then I'll tell Sanvi, she'll just put it somewhere like where it is. But the arrow concept, this is not for Sia. Arrow concept is for Sanvi, because then I'll tell Sanvi will try to color match it, but I'll tell her to look at the arrow, and then I'll ask her, like, what this arrow points to, and then she'll look for a heel, and then she'll go and search in that what cards I've spread, and then we'll do it. So in a way, this game I can play with both of them together at the same time. So it's a very good thing. I can play with them together, and both of them enjoy this play game a lot. So it is gifted by my friend from Bright Kids brand, but we love this one. Again, blocks, it's a train and it's for basically free play, and both girls make towers, trains, and some things which I don't know how to spell those things, but they have fun playing with these blocks. The next one is again Sunny knows small, medium, large, but yes, this I didn't have this game when I taught her about it. So small and large she knows it, but medium thing is just like showed us with some worksheets or some practical examples. But then I recently found this game, so very easy in a way. The small house, medium house, and big house, and then they have to join together. So for C, I'll just talk about small and large. Like I'll spread it on the floor, only these two cards, and ask Sia which one is a smaller leaf, it's the bigger leaf. And for Sunny, I'll give that full box like that and ask her to join and make combinations so she can recognize the house, the leaf, and then talk her like, then this is the medium size. So it's basically reinforcing the concept which earlier I didn't know how to do about it. I didn't know how to introduce the medium concept to it. So I think this is a better way to talk about the sizes concept. And the last one again for Sia is just a skill of fun puzzle for making a ship. So what I love about these kind of puzzle, I have 4 or 5 such kind of puzzle. We're making a ship, we're making a monkey, is that I can talk about many things, like what is when I put this one, it's a chimney of the ship, and in other puzzles where she has to put like this, we saw the insect puzzle. So here she has to use her mind to, like, these two parts are so similar, but she has to put her mind, like, this will go this side or that side. So it is more of a brain utilization rather than just looking at the shape and matching it. So this is a little, I feel, a little higher level, and she's getting hang of it. But Sunny helps her a lot because anyway she knows this puzzle by heart now. So that's all of the shelf work for today. Bye bye.